In this lecture, we'll cover the most important regulation regarding electronic signatures, which is the eIDAS regulation. eIDAS ensures that electronic interactions within EU member states are as secure, reliable, and trustworthy as traditional paper-based processes, providing a legal framework for electronic identification and trust services, fosters trust in the online environment and electronic transactions. As the digital landscape evolves, so do the heightened authentication standards outlined in the revised eIDAS regulation, which introduces innovative services such as qualified electronic archiving. This regulation outlines precise guidelines for a range of trust services, covering electronic signatures, seals, timestamps, registered delivery services, and website authentication certificate services, amongst others. Let's explore some of the key provisions of eIDAS regarding electronic signatures. eIDAS recognizes 3 levels of electronic signatures: simple, advanced, and qualified. Each offers varying degrees of security and legal certainty. It also ensures that qualified trust services have the same legal status as their traditional analog counterparts and enables the use of national electronic identification schemes to ensure a secure way of identity verification for online public services across EU countries. One of the services that certain trust service providers provide is verifying the identity of users, customers, or businesses and approving electronic signature operations through the issuance and storage of digital certificates. The rules that mark their recognition as such are outlined in the European eIDAS regulation. The qualified electronic signature stands out as the pinnacle of security and legal certainty within the electronic signature space. It requires qualified electronic signature creation devices as defined by the eIDAS regulation, certification by a conformity assessment body, and ensuring data integrity by avoiding any modifications after signing the document, as this will break the integrity of the signed documents. eIDAS emphasizes the need for integrity and authenticity of all electronic signatures. This is where qualified preservation comes in. It refers to the practice of ensuring the integrity, authenticity, and accessibility of electronic signatures over an extended period of time. It addresses the challenge of maintaining electronic signatures' validity and legal admissibility over time. Long-term preservation considers the potential risks of technological obsolescence, changes in regulatory requirements, and the need to prevent tampering or fraud. For some industries, such as healthcare, insurance, banking, and government sectors, due diligence and adherence to the eIDAS regulation are imperative. Therefore, understanding eIDAS requirements, evaluating current practices, and implementing solutions that meet standards are crucial steps for these industries. To demonstrate compliance, these industries must also comply with proper digital archiving and record keeping. Nevertheless, businesses of all types should stay educated on legal requirements and technological advancements as a core practice to navigate the digital compliance landscape. By committing to continuous learning and best practices, organizations can ensure security, compliance, and success.